Yes, when it was nice, feeling so different in those double figure temperatures across the region today where we had the blue sky. But yes, there was some mist and fog, and that will redevelop overnight tonight across many places. The emphasis though on a lot of dry weather to come, albeit rather cloudy, and turning colder as well as we head into the weekend. We've basically got high pressure migrating slightly eastward, so it's importing continental air as we head into the weekend. But any real rain-bearing fronts are staying to the northwest all the way through until we reach Sunday. So in the meantime, for this evening and overnight tonight, dry, clear. It will be cold and there will be a patchy frost, but the emphasis on that fog. It could be fairly dense and thick, especially down the Vale of York and down into rural parts of Derbyshire and North Nottinghamshire. So tricky driving conditions potentially as we head towards dawn tomorrow. 8:15 and 4:17 ISN times as we head into Thursday. Yeah, tricky driving on the region's roads first thing. Do take care, but otherwise the fog is likely to thin and lift and give us a lovely dose of sunshine into the afternoon. And if you've got the blue sky and the light winds, despite being less mild than it was today, we're still pretty much where we'd expect for the time of year. It's a pretty pleasant afternoon if you can get away from the lingering mist and fog, highs of around 7 or 8. As we head through into tomorrow night, again that northwest-southeast split to start, but the cloud invades from the continent and a fairly grey start as we head into Friday, and that sets the scene for the weekend. It will be mostly dry, fairly cloudy with light winds, but definitely on the chilly side. Hello again. Yes, when it was out, it was very pleasant indeed with a lovely dose of sunshine this afternoon. This was Enza Village near Chatsworth. A big thank you to Arlene for the share, but not all of us sharing with that sunshine as we head through into the afternoon. We've got the mist and fog redeveloping and thickening as we head through into tonight. Colder by the weekend, rather cloudy, with the emphasis on some mostly dry conditions over the next few days. High pressure is slipping to the south and east, but it's dragging in continental air Friday into the weekend. Still relatively quiet, and all these rain-bearing fronts staying to the northwest at least for the next 3 or 4 days or so. So overnight tonight, we've got mainly dry and clear conditions, but allowing for that fog to reform and thicken as the night wears on. There will be a touch of frost, certainly under clearer skies in rural spots, so hovering at freezing or just below, and where we have the thicker cloud amounts, maybe just above at 3 or 4 Celsius. So it could feel, I think, pretty chilly as we head into tomorrow. 8:09 and 4:16 are your sun times. Poor visibility on the region's roads first thing, and that fog could linger for much of the morning and potentially into the afternoon, but elsewhere we see a lovely dose of blue sky and sunshine. Temperatures are down on today, but still around the average for the time of year with relatively light winds. And then Friday into the weekend we start to see thicker cloud push its way in from the south. So mostly dry Friday into the weekend. Temperatures average on Friday, but feeling colder into Saturday and Sunday by day and by night.